Go.
Hello everybody! It's episode 1 with Marco DeSharko. That's me. Today, I'm getting a makeover! I need some lipstick and some eyeliner and some...
Let's do it. Okay.
Step 1 of makeover Marco DeSharko.
Eyeshadow.
We want
eyeshadow.
some eyeshadow for Marco. It's me. I'm Marco.
Stop eating my brush.
Oh, let me show you.
How do I put it on?
Marco, stay still, okay? Whoa, I can't stay still. Okay, Marco, stay still, all right? Oh, okay. What a beautiful color. Oh, look at him. Isn't he gorgeous? Him. Marco, what's your favorite color?
Stay still.
My favorite color is
Black.
brown.
Is what?
Green.
Now
Okay,
time
Marco,
for let's
time for green. Marco said he wants green. I give Marco green. Green. Oh, I like the green. Oh, Marco, you look so fabulous. Keep going. Oh.
pucker up.
Mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah.